today we're going to be working on this
growing crystals.
Growing crystals, right? So we're doing this crystal rocks experiment. These are the cups we're cutting out first.
Mom, this is for you. What? Hey! How is Mom?
So 2/3 goes into this container. And now what we're going to do is stir it around. Here you go. Be careful.
Stirring.
You're going to stir it until all of it dissolves. Stir till all dissolves.
Okay.
Stir till all dissolve.
Huh?
So now we're going to move into the next step. We're going to pour our solution onto the rock. Good job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle
The rock looks so weird.
just a little bit over the top.
Just to look at it.
So now we're just going to observe. And so you'll observe the growing rock for the next few hours.
I noticed something. Bubbles is coming out that one hole.
Oh,
Of the
that's
rock.
interesting.
Because yeah, bubbles are coming out there and coming on the top.
All you're going to do now is observe the
It
rock.
has
You
black
shouldn't be-
spots, green and pink. And poop color. And poop color.
So 1 week later, we get to see how this crystal has transformed. It started off looking like a stone, and I'll add the image here of what it looked like before. And now look at it.
Look at it. It looks like a crystal.
Completely different.